Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Butabi Amigo. Finally, as you already know, the lockdown restrictions have been lifted in many places and we are ready to get back to a normal life. But there is something which is very important for all of us is to stay safe at this point of time, because as you know, the restrictions are being lifted, but that doesn't mean the virus has vanished. The virus is very much there and we have to make sure that we work as well as we take care of ourselves and for all the other people out there. And to do anything in life, you need to have a perfect mindset for that. Your mind should be prepared for the situation that is there. Your mind should know that what is happening and you need to prepare your mind accordingly. So the first thing is, let's assume when you walk out of your house, you have to assume like everybody you see out there is infected. That is not true. You know that, I know that, but we have to assume that everybody is a potential risk, and then only we will be able to maintain social distancing, which is recommended at this point of time by the government. So when you go to the office, there are certain precautions that you need to take at this stage, like wearing gloves, because while traveling or while going to places, you might get in touch with certain things or certain places which might have been infected before. So you need to wear gloves, wear a mask. That will help you to avoid getting in contact with the virus or someone who's infected. Also, it will be beneficial for others too. So, and when you reach your work location, make sure you are seated at a reasonable distance with the other people working with you. Make sure you are not just working all the time. Do not exert yourself too much. You need to take small breaks while working, and most importantly, concentrate on eating well. The most important thing is you need to eat well, because the people who are not eating well, whose immunity level is not proper, these are the people who are more prone to be infected by the virus. So you need to take care, you need to make sure that your immunity is at the best possible level. Intake of vitamin C is very important at this point of time. So make sure you are totally focusing on boosting your immunity. Also make sure you do not get in physical contact with anybody. In case if you have something very important to talk to somebody, just maintain a fair amount of distance from them, talk to them, make sure you are far away from them, not too close to them. You have to avoid getting in contact with anybody. Avoid handshakes, avoid hugs. So hugs and handshakes are a total no at this point of time. It will be better if you carry a sanitizer in your pocket or in your bag. A small sanitizer is something which you can adjust anywhere, so it is not a big deal at all. The most important thing at this point of time is you have to take care of yourself and also take care of others who are around you, because this virus has taken over every place, but that doesn't mean we have to stop living. Life comes with a lot of difficulties. You cannot just have a smooth sailing experience all through the life. And as you know, there is a saying, life is not a bed of roses. Every day you have a different situation that you have to face, so you have to be prepared. Do not be tensed, do not get worked up, do not think too much. Just have a proper mindset. You need to prepare your mind accordingly. You have to think properly. You need to be focused. Be well aware of everything that is happening around you all the time. And then you don't need to panic at all, because panicking doesn't help. You have to be prepared, take all the necessary precautions, follow all the guidelines that are being laid out by the government or the government authorities for your safety. And last but not the least, something that plays an important part at this point of time, something which is very important for me, for all of you out there, is in case after taking care so much and following all the precautions and everything, all the guidelines, still if somehow you manage to get infected, or maybe you don't know what is happening, but somehow you are not well, you are not feeling well, you are just sneezing too much or coughing, you are suffering from cold or mild fever, do not panic at all. The first thing you need to do is inform people at home. isolate yourself, because in case if you are infected in any way, then you are not supposed to pass on that infection to your loved ones. That is something which is very important. Get in touch with a doctor, get yourself tested. In case if you are infected, you will be treated. There is no problem with that. But in case if you are not infected, then it's fine. So do not get tensed, do not panic. In this situation, you have to just take care how you think. You have to be prepared all the while, at all times, so that if a situation arises, you need to be patient and face the situation bravely. Stay motivated at all times. You need to do things which can boost your immunity, which can boost your motivational level, and you need to encourage people around you. And you have to focus that you do not need to go out of the home if there is something which is not important. Only the lockdown restrictions are being lifted just for the important things to happen. Like if you are someone who's working, if you have a business, then only you are allowed to go home. If you don't have anything to do, please stay indoors, because that is important for your safety, for the safety and well-being of your loved ones. So please take all the precautions, and always, no matter what is the situation, you have to face every situation with determination, with bravery, and with proper mindset. Do not get scared, just take precautions. So if you liked my video, please subscribe, like and comment. And if there is a certain topic you want me to discuss, so you can write it down in the comment box below. In the next video, we will share about some more important things. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Jai Hind.